Attention! Good morning, respected director, sir, principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today our school is celebrating the beautiful festival of Raksha Bandhan, a day that celebrates love, protection, and the forever bond between brothers and sisters. This morning is not just about a thread, it's about trust, care, and family. So let's begin our joyful assembly with devotion and positivity. To start your day with peace and blessings, we will chant the divine Gayatri Mantra. Everyone please join your hands and close your eyes. Om Bhurvashya Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Studies. A good thought is like sunshine for the mind. To share today's meaningful thought, I invite Komal and Kunal.
Good morning all of you. I am Komal from first class. I am here to present a thought on the beautiful festival of Rakhi. The Rakhi made up of thread is stronger than the sword made up of steel. This means that true protection does not always come from power. It comes from love, trust, and the bond we share with one another. Thank you and happy Raksha Bandhan to all.
Let's now understand what makes Raksha Bandhan so special. So I call upon Divya to deliver a short and sweet speech.
Everyone, my name is Divya and today I am going to speak about a special festival, Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a beautiful festival that celebrates the bond of love between a brother and a sister. On this day, sister ties a Rakhi on her brother's wrist. This thread is a symbol of love, care and protection. In return, the brother promises to protect his sister always. They give gifts, share sweets and make happy memories together. Thank you and happy Raksha Bandhan to all.
Now comes a poem that flows like a song and that fills the air with love. I invite Aisha, Piyu and Yashika to recite a beautiful English poem on Raksha Bandhan.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aisha and today I am going to recite a poem on beautiful festival Raksha Bandhan. This poem is about special bond between brother and sister, a bond of love, protection and so here is my poem titled Rakhi Bond. I tied a thread on brother's hand, a bond of love so strong and grand. He smiled and gave a gift so sweet with her. I promise my so pure and true. I will always be there just for you. Rakhi is love wrapped for you. I tie a little thread but feeling so grand. Thank you. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all.
Good morning, I am Piyu and I am here to recite a poem in front of you all on the beautiful festival Raksha Bandhan. A thread of love, a bond so strong. Rakhi ties our hearts all day long. A symbol of protection, care and might. Brother-sister love shining bright. Thank you and happy Raksha Bandhan to all.
Good morning everyone. I am Yashika, student of class 12. Today I am going to recite a poem on the special occasion of Rakhi. Sister ties Rakhi with love and care, a promise of protection. Brother will share a bond so strong, a thread so fine. Raksha Bandhan, a love, brother's promise, sister delight, a bond of love singing bright. Thank you and happy Raksha Bandhan.
अब बारी है एक प्यारी सी हिंदी कविता की जो रक्षा बंधन के इस बंधन को और भी मधुर बना देगी। मैं कविता के लिए सिया को बुलाना चाहती हूँ।
शुभ प्रभात, मेरा नाम सिया है और आज मैं रक्षा बंधन के इस पावन अवसर पर एक प्यारी सी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। यह कविता भाई बहन के उस अनमोल रिश्ते को समर्पित है जिसमें होता है ढेर सारा प्यार, मस्ती और एक दूसरे की रक्षा का वादा। अब प्रस्तुत है मेरी कविता राखी का बंधन। रेशम की एक डोर है, भाई बहन की जोड़ी है, प्यार भरा एक त्योहार है, दिलों को जोड़े ऐसा उपहार है। बहन बांधे राखी प्यार से, भाई ऐसे उपहार के साथ रक्षा का वो वचन निभाए, हर मोड़ पर साथ निभाए। धन्यवाद आप सभी को रक्षा बंधन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Get ready to learn something surprising and cool. I invite Kavya to share an amazing fact with us.
Good morning everyone, myself Kara and I am here for telling you an amazing fact. Something interesting and shocking for you, and the amazing fact is a day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to spin once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to go around the sun. Thank you and have a wonderful day, and wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan to all.
Rakhi is just not tied on hands, it tied in hearts. To express this lovely bond in words and emotions, I invite Arav and Divya for a
Good morning everyone. I am Divya and he is my friend Arav. We are here for presenting a conversation on the beautiful festival of Rakhi. Hey Bhaiya, do you remember what day it is tomorrow?
Monday?
Wrong, it's Raksha Bandhan and I have already brought a prettiest Rakhi for you.
Oh no! Time for me to say goodbye to my savings.
Yes, I have made a long gift list. You better get ready.
What if I tie a Rakhi to you this year?
Haha, even then you will still to give me a gift.
Okay, fine, but honestly, gifts are fun. But I am lucky to have you as my sister.
Oh, and I am lucky to have a brother who listens, helps, and always supports me. That's the real meaning of Raksha Bandhan: love, care, and promise that lasts forever. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all.
It's quiz time. Let's wake up our minds with some fun general knowledge questions. I welcome Mayank ask us to some GK questions.
Good morning all. I am a student of class 3rd. Today I am here for testing your knowledge by asking some GK questions. And my first question is, what is the significance of Rakhi in Hindu culture? Right answer is Rakhi signifies the bond of love and protection between brothers and sisters. And my second question is, which festival is Rakhi associated with? Right answer is Raksha Bandhan. And my third question is, what is the literal meaning of the word Rakhi? Right answer is protection. And my fourth question is, who ties the Rakhi to whom? Right answer is, sister ties the Rakhi to their brothers. And my last question is, on which day of the year is Rakhi typically celebrated? Right answer is the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravan.
And now it's time to wrap up your beautiful celebration. Let's all remember the message of Raksha Bandhan to protect and love not only our siblings but also our friends, our earth and every living being around us. Let's become protectors of peace, kindness and happiness. Wishing you all a happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you and have a joyful day ahead.
Happy Raksha Bandhan.
Raksha Bandhan is a festival that celebrates the pure bond of love between brothers and sisters. May this special day bring joy, protection and togetherness in all our lives. May the thread of Rakhi remind us to always care for and support each other. Wishing a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan. This is for you. Thank you.